In this video, I'll guide you through how to edit an invoice in Zoho Books, whether you've spotted a small typo, need to adjust quantities, or want to update customer details. Knowing how to quickly edit an existing invoice will help keep your records accurate and up to date. I'll walk you through each step on screen, and you can follow along in your own Zoho Books account. First, open your web browser and go to books.zoho.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your Zoho account with your usual credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Zoho Books dashboard. This is your main hub where you can see an overview of your finances, recent activity, and quick shortcuts. From here, we'll move into the section that holds all your invoices. Next, look for the main navigation menu, usually on the left-hand side of the screen. In that menu, find and click on the option labeled Sales. The Sales section is where Zoho Books groups together all revenue-related items, such as estimates, invoices, payments received, and more. By going into Sales first, you make sure you're looking at all your customer-facing transactions in one place. Once you're in the Sales section, locate and click on Invoices. This will open a page that lists all of your invoices, usually in a table view. Here you'll see details like invoice numbers, customer names, dates, amounts, and statuses, such as draft, sent, or paid. You can use the search bar or filters at the top if you need help finding a specific invoice, especially if you have a long list. Now find the invoice you want to edit. You can scroll through the list, search by invoice number, or type in the customer's name to narrow things down. When you see the invoice you need, click directly on it. This will open the detailed view of that invoice, where you can see all the line items, taxes, totals, and customer information. Take a second here to confirm you've opened the correct one, especially if you send multiple invoices to the same clients. With the invoice open, look for the Edit button. This is usually found near the top of the page, often alongside options like print, email, or more. Click on Edit to switch the invoice into editing mode. Now the fields on the invoice become changeable. You can update the customer details, modify item descriptions, change quantities or rates, adjust taxes, or edit the invoice date and terms depending on what needs correcting. Make sure any changes you make are accurate, as this information will affect your reports and customer communications. Once you've finished making your changes, review the invoice carefully from top to bottom, check that all amounts, dates, and descriptions are correct, and confirm that the totals and taxes look right. When you're happy with everything, click Save. Zoho Books will update the invoice with your new information, and the latest version will now appear in your invoice list and reports. That's all you need to do to edit an invoice in Zoho Books. Go to books.zoho.com, open the sales section, click Invoices, select the invoice, click Edit, make your changes, and then save. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this walkthrough while you follow along in your own account.